Imagine this: you're selling something online and a potential buyer wants to pay using Zelle. They ask if they can use a fake name for the transaction. What do? Is it safe? Is it legal? Let's dive into it. What is Zelle? Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that lets you send money directly from your bank account to someone else's. It's a popular choice for quick and easy payments, especially among friends and family. Can you use a fake name on Zelle? The short answer is, it's not recommended. While Zelle doesn't explicitly prohibit the use of fake names, doing so can raise red flags and potentially lead to issues. Why is it not recommended? Security concerns. Using a fake name can make it difficult to track the transaction if something goes wrong. If you're scammed or encounter a dispute, it might be harder to recover your money. Legal implications. In some cases, using a fake name could have legal consequences. For example, if you're involved in illegal activities, using a fake name could make it harder to identify you. Trust and reputation. When you use a fake name, you're essentially creating a barrier between yourself and the other party. This can make it harder to build trust and establish a positive reputation. Alternative solutions. If you're concerned about privacy, there are other options to consider. Anonymous payment methods. Explore anonymous payment methods like cryptocurrency or prepaid cards. These options can provide more privacy but may come with their own risks. Escrow services. Use an escrow service to hold funds until both parties agree on the transaction. This can provide added security and protection. Meet in person. If possible, arrange a face-to-face meeting to exchange payment. This can be the safest option, but it may not always be feasible. Additional considerations. Zelle's terms of service. Always review Zelle's terms of service to understand their specific rules and guidelines. Bank policies. Your bank may have additional policies regarding the use of fake names or anonymous transactions. Legal advice. If you have concerns about the legality of using a fake name on Zelle, consult with a legal professional. While it's technically possible to use a fake name on Zelle, it's generally not recommended due to the potential risks and security implications. If you're looking for a more secure and transparent payment method, consider alternative options like anonymous payment methods, escrow services, or meeting in person. Remember, your safety and security should always be your top priority. Choose a payment method that aligns with your needs and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.